Okay, so now I'm gonna do the how to switch. If you made a sketch in Illustrator, how to bring it to SolidWorks. If you go on the YouTube channel, there is a small. It takes 30 seconds to understand how it works. Really simple. So I have a recording there that already explain everything as a backup. So sometimes it makes sense if you have text, if you have a lot of details, to do it in Illustrator, then you bring it there. So first, in Illustrator, just launching Illustrator. Thank you. It's not slow, it's just when I record, it's take resources, so the computer slows down. Okay. For example, I'll give you this example. Maybe too much. I'll make something new. I want something simple. Okay. So, if first of all, check that your sketch is up to size. Okay. So it doesn't matter what you did. For example, I have a shape like this. I use Pathfinder to glue it. And I want to write some text. So I'll just put... try to use the font that is fat. So we will have big numbers. So if I have this, I will try to use, for example, BBAS. It's free. Comme ça là? Ah, really? אתם בדיוק באזור אזור? כי זה עבד לכולם. אז עכשיו... אני בא לבדוק לאפשר לשחק עם ה... אז פה, the same like we did in laser cut, I want to transform it into outline. Ctrl-Shift-0 or to outline. So now I have only lines. Doesn't matter of the shape I did, I have only lines. I do it on purpose to have the two lines so it will be closer to what you did. So if I'm happy, I check the size of my sketch and I confirm that I'm working to the proportion I want, for example, 10 centimeters. And actually this is the size that I did. He is telling me this is 10 centimeters. So you need to, on the top, you can look for function. On the top right, just on the recording, I give all the tips where it is, so it's going to be easier for you. I just want to finish the explanation, so it won't be too chopped, okay? I finish my design. I check the size. I go to File, Export, Export As. I want DXF. DXF. Yeah, like D, like drawing exchange, DXF. The moment I have a DXF, I put it in a place where I can find it. Now I go to SolidWorks. I don't open a file yet. I want to see the logo. And now I grab the... I didn't put it in download. Where did I put it? I didn't finish to save. So confirm that you finished to save. If not, the file will not appear. So now it appears. So you grab your file, you click and drop. You drop it inside SolidWorks. It's gonna open this. You choose, you go in the middle, import to a new part as a 2D sketch. You remove import as a reference. I give all the explanation in the next, exactly. So now you go to this next. You can see the preview of the what you did here. Merge overlapping, run repair sketch. You can play with this function. Finish. Yes. And what you get is directly a sketch open. with what you did. So now you can use that as a base to build the rest. So if you get to this point, I get out of this sketch, I'm going to make a new one. I want to keep this one as a reference, the same method that I did for you. So I keep this as a reference because there is too many details. Then I go to, I look, okay, right now I did it in the front plane. I open a new sketch, and now I can take and copy things that I want. So for example, I want to bring the plate, the first basic plate, right click, select in chain, this way select the whole line, convert. In the video I did for Eliane, it's exactly the steps. I bring the sketch, convert, convert, convert. Same logic, but different source. Okay? So once I have this, I do feature, extrude. I'm gonna get the first plate. Now on this, I can add more and add more. And now, so you can do that for all the letters. Okay? So that's how you can sketch all what you did. So you're gonna have all your details available. And then you, step by step, first the base, then you add the contour, then you add the other contour, then you bring the numbers. Don't try to do everything at once. There is no rush. Maybe for the numbers, it's going to be a lot of selection because it's a lot of shapes. But let's try it. And if you stuck, let me know and send me an email and I'll see what I can do. Good? But try it alone first. Because through pain, that's how we learn. And game. No, I'm sorry. This is how the brain works. It's like we have to do this process of eating it in order to really learning. If like, that's the problem with the AI today, the fact that we get all the answers really fast and we don't need to use our brain, then we don't really learn. So yes, pain is the best teacher. And mistakes. Good. So I'm gonna stop the recording.